Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC is on Windows 11 and updated, because settings options change with builds. Once done, press Win+I or Open, Start, and select Settings. Make sure you've signed into an admin account so changes apply system-wide. Next, go to Personalization and click Taskbar to reveal controls. This puts you directly at the controls you need. Do not click elsewhere. You're now positioned to change alignment and behaviors in the next step. Now that taskbar settings are visible, find Taskbar Behaviors and expand that section. From the alignment, drop down Choose Left and watch icons snap to the left edge. Make sure to review which system icons and overflow items are enabled so nothing blocks the left alignment. Disable widgets or search if you prefer a compact look. If you want app icons centered later, you can revert. Once you set alignment, take a quick look at icon spacing and reorder pinned apps by dragging them. Finish by confirming the left alignment persists after you close settings. If icons revert or don't move, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and click Restart. This forces the shell to reload and usually fixes sticky settings. Make sure to sign out and sign back in if restarting Explorer doesn't help. That applies profile-level changes. If problems continue, check for Windows updates and restart the PC. One key troubleshooting tip: restart Explorer first. Most alignment issues resolve without deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.